Imagine if our planet started growing larger, 1 centimeter every single second. At first, it might sound harmless, almost unnoticeable. But soon, the effects would become impossible to ignore. As Earth expands, gravity would slowly increase. People would feel heavier with every passing day, and even walking could become exhausting. Airplanes might no longer take off, and tall buildings could collapse under their own weight. The oceans would spread across larger areas, drowning entire coastlines. Cities near the sea would disappear underwater. Millions of people would be forced to migrate inland. The atmosphere would also stretch and thin out. Breathing would get harder, and oxygen levels would drop. Life as we know it would begin to suffocate. Meanwhile, the moon's orbit would be disrupted by Earth's rapid growth. Tides would become chaotic, and the risk of devastating floods would skyrocket. Our nights would never look the same again. Eventually, Earth might grow so large that its core can't handle the pressure. Massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tectonic shifts would rip the surface apart. The planet could even collapse under its own gravity. So, what if Earth really grew 1 centimeter every second? At first, it might feel like nothing, but soon it would turn into a nightmare. Humanity would struggle to survive on a planet that is literally tearing itself apart.